So performing a DPF regeneration. So this unit is a Ford and diesel engine, so it needs to perform a DPF regeneration due to carbon. There's a carbon on the DPF or diesel particulate filter that needs to be out. So this is the process on doing that. So all of this it takes 35 minutes to get this done, right? So now our exhaust temperature are getting higher and higher. That's the process on regenerating for the DPF, because it needs to be burn out all these carbon build up on this diesel particular filter, right? So we are now already 400 degrees in the exhaust gas temperature sensor 1 and 600 in the sensor 2. So from upstream and downstream, so need to be burn out all the soot, or what we call that, carbon buildup. So it will take 35 minutes to get this done. Alright, so after this the car performance will enhance, and there's no low power, and fuel efficiency is good. Alright.